Hey everyone, it's Gavin here, making a quick video for those of you who use Calendly and a CRM like Close or Boomtown or ActiveCampaign. It could kind of be anything that you're using, and I'm going to show you how you can take your Calendly links, and then also when people book in an appointment, it gets added to your CRM, and potentially with additional tags or keywords that you use to target the various people in your CRM and potentially send out mails or follow-up messages of certain types. So this is going to be a perfect video for you if you're using Calendly and a CRM of some sort. Okay, so jumping right in, just going to give a quick overview. So for example, let's say we have 3 active Calendly links here, and each one is technically going to be sent to a different person, different group of people. Say one is sent to people in a given industry, one is being sent to if it's just a general conversation, and one is being sent if they are in the same industry as you and they maybe could be a referral partner or something. So in Zapier, this is often what we use as a glue. It takes away a lot of the technical aspects. And in this example, you add in a very simple event of when an invitee is created, so that's when someone books. But the issue is, with this brings in all of the different bookings. You can't specify, I want only this calendar's bookings. So if we left it just that way, all 3 of these, whenever a booking is made on either of these, they all come through the same one, and we don't know how to classify the people. So in this case, what we do is we add in a filter. So a filter lets us essentially filter. We check a certain thing coming in, and then we can do an action based on that next action, on that given value. So in this case, we want to only check for one specific calendar booking type, and then in our CRM, we're going to be adding different keywords based on what type of calendar booking that was. So if they book on the industry one, we might add different keywords down here. So in this case, we're getting in from Calendly, for example, we get in a 15-minute booking call, and you can see here at the top is the UUID of the event type. The event type is essentially the calendar ID, and that's always going to be unique. And then we are going to filter based on that ID over there. So if it meets that ID, cool, that's the calendar that we're interested in. We're going to continue further. And in this example, we're using Close as our CRM. So we create or update a person as they come in. This is just choosing general stuff, nothing too interesting there. And then essentially we're taking all the fields from our calendar, and there are also questions that get asked earlier in the calendar, but we aren't appending them anywhere. But over here, this keywords and keyword, this is going to be different for each CRM. Not all CRMs might even allow this, but Close does, which is great. It lets us add different keywords / tags based on whatever we want it to be. And here we can just hard code it. We can say, for this calendar type, we're going to make the keywords that they get tagged with agent referral or Zapier or something like that. And then, literally, just to wrap this all up, once that's all done and things are flowing, they're going to show up right over there on the top as your keywords as they come in. Home buyer, home client, Upwork, something Zapier. And that's just a very quick overview. You can't go into too many details in these short videos. It's just to show you what's possible essentially. And if you're keen to have something like this set up, that you got your calendar events flow into your CRM, potentially with better tags and keywords so you can do better targeting and better follow-up, feel free to reach out to me. You can leave a comment, you can send me a direct message, whatever you feel most comfortable with. And obviously, I'm always keen to hear what your ideas are, if there are any problems you're having, and you can feel free to reach out to me with those type of things as well. And I hope that was very beneficial, and I'll chat soon, everyone. Cheers.